Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good on Thursday, the 20th of July, 2023. I'm here to bring us a look at the weather forecast for southeast England for the next 24 hours. Well, while the Mediterranean bakes, we continue with our mediocre summer. Temperatures are still relative to the average over here in the UK. As we mentioned, we've got a really big heat wave now firing up in the Mediterranean. And if you are keeping in touch with it, please do keep in touch with my YouTube channel. I'll be doing another piece on it later on today. Right, so temperatures here in the UK, 15.8 at Folkestone, 13.6 over at Tunbridge in Kent. Move over towards Thatcham, you're a bit cooler, a little bit further inland, a little bit more rural perhaps, 10.5. Over at Quainton, and I think that's up near Aylesbury, again 10.3, just barely in double figures up there. Moved down to Cambridge at 14 degrees, and then to the Big Smoke in London near Westminster, 16.1 degrees, and that can be seen on the current top of the HOTS, 16 degrees at London Airport, with many other stations in that 14 to 15 degree range. Right, it is bright out there at the moment. There are some sunny skies around. Patchy cloud around, but this is the scene across many parts of southeast England at the moment. This is near Newbury in Berkshire, clear blue sunny skies, but it won't last. I think again there's going to be the risk of a few showers today, but there are certain areas where these showers are likely to be more prevalent, and we'll come on to that in just a moment when we take a look at the WX chart. So this is the cloud and these are the radars at the moment. So at the moment, no rain across the UK other than a few showers over in the west of the UK across Wales and particularly Northern Ireland. So certainly for the next 3 or 4 hours, we've got no such rain risk. But if we just take the icon this morning and we take a look at how they're going to play this one out. So this brings us through to 6 o'clock this morning. Nothing really on offer, but already it's picking up the risk of 1 or 2 showers close to that eastern and southern coast. And I think today the propensity for these showers are likely, once they do start to develop, close to the southeast coast. So certainly here in Folkestone, I'll be getting the cushions in from the garden furniture. So I think it's likely to be quite wet at times today. But that's not the story everywhere. I think it's fair to say that for many places today, it will be a mainly dry day. There will be sunny skies, variable amounts of cloud, and just the isolated risk of a shower, with that real risk of showers across southeast Kent eventually dying out throughout the course of the evening and overnight. Now, in terms of temperatures, around average once again, peaking at around about 22. You might see a 23 somewhere towards the capital and closer to those southern coasts, and more especially over East Kent where you've got the risk of the showers. Temperatures perhaps pegged back a little bit closer to maybe 20 degrees today. Temperatures falling no lower than around about 13 or 14 degrees overnight. The winds, they've been quite the story in recent days. Pleased to say that they are now lighter, coming in from a westerly direction at around about 7 or 8 miles an hour, and variable in direction, especially towards the eastern parts of the county, no doubt where you've got those showers mixing up the air mass. And in terms of the longer term trend, well, no real change at the moment. I think the weekend, probably fair to say that, yeah, we keep this relatively unsettled theme going, temperatures around average, no sign of real summer yet, but we'll have a look at that in more detail at the 14-day trends, which I will also be putting on tonight, just to see if there is anything on the horizon. But yeah, I'm going to get off to work now. I've got my shirt on today, off to the office in Maidstone. So yeah, I'll bid you all a fond farewell. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.